Well, hello and welcome to the Positivity Magic website. My name is Jonas Cain. I'm the founder, executive director, and chief facilitator of Fascination. Our mission is to help people step out of frustration and step into fascination. According to contemporary research, about 50% of our lives is completely out of our control. It's our DNA, it's our biology. We can't control who our biological parents are, and we can't control who our ancestors are. So that's 50% of our lives completely out of our control. Now the other 50%, this is encouraging, we have influence over. Of that 50%, 10%, it's our circumstances, it's where we live, it's our job, it's our hobbies, it's our friends. Now, we certainly have an influence over those things. However, and this is a real game changer, the other 40%, we have 100% control over, so long as we're aware of it, and so long as we take consistent, inspired, and motivated action. This 40% that we have complete control over, it's our choices. We can't control everything that happens to us, but what we can control is how we respond. And we can respond with the default reactions of frustration and confusion and discouragement, or we can respond by design with this fascination that has a natural curiosity that leads to inspiration and motivation. So have a look around. We have plenty of resources available to you on this website, from articles that outline practices for implementing positivity in our everyday lives at work, home, and beyond. We have free coaching videos. We release one new video every week outlining a different principle for producing personal and professional growth in your lives. And of course, we have a myriad of different products and services available to you. If you have any questions, you may email me personally at jonas@positivitymagic.com. Enjoy.
My name is Christy Boliciano. I'm from Easter Seals in Greater Waterbury. We just finished the most engaging, fabulous, fantastic speech by Jonas Cain. Loved it. The staff is engaged. He was fantastic, cool, calm, and collective. We could have thrown him off, but he was on par. So we love Jonas. We'll absolutely recommend him to everybody, and we'll bring him back if we can.
I was not expecting it. I thought it was just going to be more magic, and I like the magic part, but it was more real. It talked about reality. My roommate and I have exams coming up this week, and we were both really anxious going into it. And after watching the show, we kind of took a deep breath, and we got more positivity out of it.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Rosegook, and I wanted to speak to you today about Jonas and how he spoke to us at our Technology Student Association's conference for Texas TSA. So his speech was very, very involved. I'm familiar with the high school crowds. It's very difficult to really get them invested into a speech, and he managed to do that, even though we're all very tired and hungry, and he definitely did amazing work today.
My name is Jacob Jones. I'm an alumnus of Texas Technology Student Association, and I've sat through many keynotes. I was caught along by some of the magic tricks. I was caught along by some of the jokes, and it really connects you to the message in a way that I don't really get to see that a lot. And getting to see that is really something that makes this conference amazing.
Okay, this one is very perplexing. It's a stick figure that says, hey. Hey. I'm going to assume this is Walmart greeter.
I mean, clearly this is yours. Clearly.
Is this your drink?
Hello.
Is this your dream?
Four is.
Oh my goodness, yes, thank you. 9, 4, and 5 is. 8, 1, 60, and 10 is.
81.
You guys are very good. Plus 8 is. Thank you. And 3, it's 16 is. Bingo! That's right.
Oh, speaking of trees, why was the leaf so brave? Because it was used to being out on the limb.
hang on to the quirkiness because it's coming at you and you don't know what you're expecting when he walks up there. But you know, that's the joy of it. You have to really be open to having fun and not taking every jokes too seriously, because the whole point of it is to be a little quirky just like us and find it relatable, but still have an underlying message which teaches us that you are the creators of your own future and be visionaries.
Now, you could take two different people and put them in the same situation. One person could walk away from the experience feeling bitter. Someone else could walk away from the same experience fascinated by the whole thing.
The magic tricks got me, they for sure got me, but I really liked the reality aspect of it and that we got positivity out of it, and just, it was great. It wasn't what I was expecting.
It's very rare that a performer manages to capture my attention in a way that I can't help but be part of the performance and be part of the audience. And this performance did that.
Perhaps now, moving forward, you will pass that positivity on to others. Life is what you make of it. Make it amazing. Thank you so much.